Bitcoin Libre. It already has a BRC20 DEX, but there is a lot more coming. Chrome extension, bridges, a BTC search engine, and more. Oh, and you're going to want to check out the most recent Libre token sale kicking off on December 1st. So if this is the first time you've heard of Bitcoin Libre, a layer 2 scaling solution designed to shape the future of Bitcoin usability, scalability, and BTC-focused DeFi, then hit up the playlist below. Otherwise, if you're just looking for a Bitcoin Libre update, here's what's new. A Chrome plugin is nearly complete that will function as both a Bitcoin and Bitcoin Libre wallet. Think MetaMask, but for BTC, and will also simplify managing your ordinals and BRC20 tokens. There's also a nearly complete BTC search engine, which aims to be the go-to search for the Bitcoin blockchain. It's a simple search interface, very similar to what we saw with Google. And when you look up an ordinal inscription, you can see many of its details, including its ID, its type, who owns it, who inscribed it, and when. And if the item is for sale, you can bid on it or purchase it outright. In addition, you can actually see the bidding and transaction history of the ordinal. The team is also working on bridges from both Bitcoin and Ethereum to and from the Bitcoin Libre blockchain. And finally, the last remaining piece to really leverage these bridges is a proper multi-party or MPC wallet that will be used so if a user sends their tokens or assets from native Bitcoin or Ethereum chains, they will be securely held in a bridge via a number of the Libre token elected validators on the Bitcoin Libre blockchain. This means that Libre.org can be the place for all things ordinals and L2 that negates the ever-increasing BTC transaction fees and puts the user experience first. So with those upcoming developments, there's also another big upcoming event, and that is another funding round for the Libre DAO. These funds are used to fund the DAO and the developer teams building everything that we have so far with Bitcoin Libre. The LibreLaunch DAO Fund will issue 600 million Libre tokens in exchange for Bitcoin deposits over 60 days. There will be daily auctions where each day 10 million Libre tokens will be distributed based on the amount of PBTC that will be contributed. Please note that PBTC, the peg Bitcoin from the P network, is the only asset being accepted during this event. The smart contract for this will look at the contributed PBTC sent to the DAO.Libre account every 24 hours by each unique user, and then will issue each account a pro rata share of the 10 million Libre tokens. These tokens will be staked for 6 months automatically, collecting additional APR like all stake Libre does, and then made available to each user to claim once the stake period is up. The 60-day event will begin on December 1st of this year, 2023, and will end on January 30th, 2024. The Libre tokens themselves have a couple built-in functions, in case you're curious. They are used as a governance token to vote for the Libre network validators, and they are used to vote on proposals, just like this LibreLaunch DAO Fund. One other notable property of the Libre token is that they will be bought and burned with 1% of all trading fees collected in a Libre BRC20 DEX found at LibreDex.org. If Bitcoin Season 2 really propels ordinals and BRC20s into the mainstream, L2 solutions like Libre, and especially its DEX, are going to see a lot of action and trade volume, which means increased deflationary pressure on the Libre token itself. If you've got more questions about the LibreLaunch DAO Fund, you can check out the article in the notes below, which actually includes a full PR FAQ. And if you'd like to learn about all things Libre, check out Libre.org.